else? Good. Yeah. Let us start probability today. It's a good since today is a good wonderful day as a Thursday. Right. Let us start probability. What is probability? Who said this? So probability is the one which started in the first stage of the evolution of statistics, evolution of mathematics. Probability is the first one. 300 BC, they say 300 BC it was started. Probability, right? It started, most of the statistical tool or mathematical operations started in military operations. But probability started at agriculture field. Agriculture field and சொல்றதை they expected rain during a particular period. Rain varuma varadaன்றதுல they first started the probability application. Right? They explored then. Then they came to different areas, different aspects. Then they applied in military operations too. Then gradually it has been increased. Right? First it applied in mathematics. Then it has brought to statistics. Right? Then it was brought to statistics. That's why in evolution of statistics, probability came into the picture of statistics. Now, just in the probability, it was not there earlier. It was there earlier, but it has been taken by statistics. It's true. Yeah. Probability became a major tool to produce most of the statistics. The binomial, Poisson, normal distribution, skewness, kurtosis, everything is attached with the probability later. Good. Education methodology, we have one more class on classroom communication and some history part. History part we started with the preliminary, different types of education system. Then committees were we stopped. Right? History we started. Committee solala, I said committees will start next class. Good. So why I said classroom committees. Today I started with class. So in a weekend I am available. Is next week? That's good. So probability. What is probability? Yeah. What is probability? A chance of occurring an event may or may not. Right? May or may not. Which industry, which service industry works only based on probability? Which service industry? Service industry ne solten. Which industry ne first? Let me put out into a hospital. Porakada porakumadar. May or may not. Good. What else? Did you hear this dog noise when you download the recording? Yes, and a distance of 100, but it used to be recorded. So, that's true. Distance record la. Good. So what is that? What is probability? Which service industry is totally based on probability? It's none other than insurance sector. Insurance is a growing prominent sector. Later you will say education institute also like this. So if that building illiterate or literate, graduate illiterate, right? So education is nowadays education institutions are building graduate illiteracy. Okay, good. So let us get into the business of probability. So chance of occurrence of an event may or may not. So once they introduced insurance for primary health care. So what is primary health care? What is primary health care? There is no slide, just I'm talking. Once they introduced an insurance program for primary health care. What is primary health care? சும்மா தலைவலி காய்ச்சலுக்கு இன்சூரன்ஸ் கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. Even if you go for a treatment, if you get fees 200 rupees fees வருது ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்றீங்கன்னா 200 rupees can be claimed under health insurance. So health insurance is secondary health care. And hospitalized you can get claimed, right? But primary health care health insurance கொண்டு வந்தாங்க, which was failed totally because it is not may or may not option, right? கண்டிப்பா ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒரு மாசத்துல ஏதாவது ஒரு டிசீஸ் வரும், at least once in 6 months they used to get to you need to visit hospital, right? Nowadays hospital becomes temple, right? Once in a week we used to visit temple. Now it is so dominant that we need to visit hospital once in a week. Now even there is an advertisement in Chennai and Bangalore, particularly in Mumbai, apartment advertisement. This apartment carries primary health clinic and secondary hospital. Apartments when you have your store, vegetable stores, right? Nearer schools, colleges, nearer to hospitals, but now what happens? Apartment you have a clinic, so you can come down, take tablet and go. Primary health care doesn't work, and a probability may or may not fail. So during Vardha, do you get any demand of product? Yes, definitely. So may or may not option is not there. But will you get any demand for the product during natural course of action, during the nature day-to-day? Yes, it may or may not based on the demand and supply of the product. So if you insure, you will get definitely during that when you are not available. That's why the hungry solution as well, where thousands of people sleep with hungry, right? There is a data, right? So please have that particular nation, not entire nation is not. So a part of the particular people. So entire nation have to be insured. Nobody should sleep with hungry. Right? So insured means they have to be. Insurance is not that someone is donating amount. Insurance is sharing what we have contributed as a premium as then it has been shared as claim. It is not that 4 lakhs he collecting premium from many people and he is giving as claim to that particular people for which he is administering, for which he is charging some administration charge. That's it. Right? So likewise, why don't you have for hungry program? Why don't you have for AIDS program? Why don't you have it for likewise like pandemic or particular pandemic in a particular area affect it's not for the entire area, and entire area may or may not work out, but it happens, right? So probability we need to have an important introduction along with probability starts with. We have good amount of time. Good. Yes, good. I think board is not visible, but we try next class. We try. I think this is the table next class. Next class. What I'm doing in classroom, college level, I use a table case. Boarding a table case. Laptop I used to keep there. So close. So last 1 week I am doing that. Earlier I used to be little we used to take picture and share. But from last 1 week I am everybody sees like something is doing differently. Laptop India, but I need to talk there. And under students are interesting experience. Last year ஒரு தனி மனிதன் தனி அறையில போய் 1 மணி நேரத்துக்கு மேலாக பேசிக் கொண்டிருக்கிறார். Right? So if it happens, if it would have happened 2 years back, definitely they would have labeled me and admitted me in an hospital. Right? But last year they named it as good. So what is that probability? Let us start with. So what is that? What is this? Ability. What is this? Yeah. So what is this? Ability. Did you identify earlier before this class probability, the ability word? So we have a word called management. Management. This T Greek refers to what is that? So factors of production. Management definition is that. Production, land, labor, capital, and money. This T Greek we used to say T. So management. So which carries more important in management? Men. Than factors of production. Even the factors of production part is men, but then factors of production men carries more important. So HR introduction, this is the introduction. Why HR is more important? So management, overall management men is men means not women, male. So what is probability? What is probe? Did you probe anything from me? Okay. Did you probe anything from me? I kept something here, but I did not find. I'm not able to find this. Did you probe this? Normally, I used to miss my duster in classroom. Did anybody probe my duster? And I end up on one time I did duster. So normally, touch already. That's not a doubt. So what is that? Right. So probe is taking out without their permission. Right. So probing. So what happens? It used to be in literacy journals. Without their knowledge, we use their terms and proverbs or something to explain our content. So this happens. Probe. So probability, what it means?
Ability, capacity.
Oh, good perception. What is that? Is good perception. That I can decide. Ability. But the ability has been proved by someone else, which I expected did not happen. That ability has been taken out from me without my permission by someone else. It could be nature, or it could be God, it could be in the name of fate. Something proved out of my ability without my knowledge. So that's why we say what happens next after 30 minutes we do not know. May or may not. That's why probability. So after this class, we never forget what is probability. Good. When I studied philosophy and religion, rather than the textbook, when we study the textbook, we need to explore more. That's what we used to practice. So when we explore, we used to get any number of theories. The theory is the theory questioning method. This is the modern method. No, Aristotle, right? Because they said. So philosophy and religion, it used to be probability. So there I explored. Probability works out. So what happens? What is that? There is a movie, Rajini movie. Hussain Padala asked Rajini dialogue. லாஸ்ட் 10 minutes மூவி வந்து ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கா இருக்கும். அதுல ரஜினி வந்து ஒரு டயலாக் அப்போ வந்து மீனா வந்து ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணி அதை கேட்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு சீன் வரும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் தட், நான் இந்த கிழமை நான் இங்க வருவேன்னோ நான் உங்களெல்லாம் பார்ப்பேன்னோ நான் முன்கூட்டியே தீர்மானிச்சது இல்லை. இங்க நடக்கிறது எல்லாமே, ஆனால் இங்க நடக்கிறது எல்லாமே முன்கூட்டியே தீர்மானிக்கப்பட்டது, ஆனால் நான் யாரும் எதிர்பார்க்க கூடாது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு டயலாக். பட் நல்ல டயலாக். இட்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட் டு ப்ராபபிலிட்டி அகைன். Yeah, it's related to probability. Did you understand what is probability? What you said, what perception you said is that we can change. And the perception நீங்க சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா? We can. What did you say?
Change சொல்லல, நம்ம வந்து முன்னாடி predict.
Yes, predict பண்றது. We have the ability to probe, which means out of the nature. Yeah, this is good perception. What is that? Astrologer used to say. சகுனம் பார்த்து வந்து we can predict what may happen. So this is also a good perception. Nothing wrong. We can have a perception, new perception. Good. So probability is based on events. Probability is based on events. So the events, there are two types of events. What is that? Occurrence events and non-occurrence events. Non-occurrence events. What did I say? What is probability? Meaning first or line to like what is probability or line?
Chance of occurrence.
Chance of occurrence of an event. So the probability which we deal is only for occurring event. Occurring event. நடக்கும்னு தெரியும். நடக்குமா நடக்காதாங்கிறது வேற, அந்த நிகழ்வு இருக்காங்கிறது வேற. மழை பெய்யுமா பெய்யாதாங்கிறது வேற. பட் மழைங்கிறது ஒண்ணு இருக்குல்ல, ரைட்? அது வந்து once in 3 months or once in 4 months climate change ஆகிறப்ப பெய்யுது இல்ல. So that is called occurrence. Right? தமிழ்நாட்டுல அதுவும் மதுரையில பூகம்பமே நடந்தது. Right? பூகம்பம் நடத்துறதுக்கான சாத்தியக்கூறு இருக்கா அப்படின்னு பார்க்கணும்னா probability is not needed. So is that an occurrence event? எங்கேயாவது சாத்தியக்கூறு, எங்கேயாவது சிக்னல் கொஞ்சம் தஞ்சாவூர்ல இன்னும் only Chennai and particular ஒரு 2 இடத்துல கடலோரம் சென்னை. So here non-occurrence you should ignore. So only occurrence events we take. Events and then occurrence events. The occurrence events, how simultaneously it occurs. Right? Is that occurring 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times, or n time, or infinite? Yes. So it happens. So to cover this till infinite, we have two concepts. One is permutation, the other one is combination. One is permutation, the other one is combination. So permutation is always written as NPR. So combination can be written as NCR. So N is number of events, R is occurrence, P is permutation. So N is number of events, R is occurrence, probability, right? The probable occurrence, and C is combination. What is the difference between permutation and combination? What is the difference between permutation and combination? Permutation are the class. Let me tell you one or two sums. Let us go through. You will understand what is the difference between permutation and combination without my statement. Right? Okay. So now we are not getting into the probability directly. Now we are going to get into what are the number of events. Right? Then in the base study, we will slowly move to probability. Right? Now
permutation, combination, occurrent event calculate பண்றது.
Yes. Number of events to is possibility of number of events. So what is probability? Possible events divided by total events, total number of events. So let us take a sample. In how many ways? In how many ways 3 letters can be formed? In how many ways 3 letters can be formed using the word money. I forgot to say one thing here. The common between permutation and combination is factorial distribution. Factorial distribution. Factorial distribution and now the 3 factorial and 3 into 2 into 1. 8 factorial 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, this factorial. So in the 8 factorial permutation combination common factorial distribution. We use both the factorial factorial or number or exclamatory symbol right 3 factor, which means 3 into 2 into 1, 8 factor, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into till 1 by. So again, total letters. Now the question is, the 3 letter, how many possibilities are there to draw 3 letters out of these 5 letters? Right? So here M-O-N, O-N-E, N-E-Y, and the letter M-N-E, and the N-O-E, and the O-N-Y. இந்த மாதிரி எத்தனை பாசிபிலிட்டி இருக்கு? ஆமா 3 letters, no meaning. They said only 3 letters, no meaning. So how many possibilities are there? So if this is a question, we need to count, we need to write. When the question கேட்டனால ரொம்ப general question ஆ இல்லையா, உட்கார்ந்து எழுதிருக்கோம், right? இது எழுதி வந்து எத்தனை பாசிபிலிட்டி ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, 20, 30, 35 ஏதோ 40 பேர் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஸோ அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 10, 30 எத்தனை ரொம்ப போயிட்டு இருக்கு, அப்போ எடுத்து மேக்ஸிமம் செக் பண்ணி விட்டுருவோம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் இட் இஸ் பெர்மிட்டேஷன். It is permutation. How do I say permutation? I will tell you later. I will tell you later. Yeah, what you are saying is NPR. Now we are going to apply NPR. N means number of letters, number of samples. So here 5 letters. Right. P is permutation. R is what they asked. They asked only 3 letters. They asked only 3 letters. Right. So NPR there is a. So NPR there is a formula. So what is that? N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. N factorial divided by N minus R factorial. So likewise, if we divide, we do this 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3 factorial. So if we do this 5 into 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So 5 factorial and 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 2 factorial and another 2 into 1. 2 into 1, 2 into 1 cancel. 5 4 are 20, 20 into 3, 120. So 120 ways, 120 possibilities are there to have 3 letters by using these 5 letters. This is called permutation. It's called permutation.
Highest number varudna adukku tani formula. Highest number 3 numbers. அப்படியே 5 ன்றதுனால அது போகும்.
நிறைய இருக்குன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? கேன்சல் ஆகும். கேன்சல் ஆகும்.
5 3 னால நம்ம போடுறோம். அந்த இடத்துல ஒரு நிறைய நம்பர் எடுத்துலாம் முடியும்.
இப்போ இங்க ஒரு 900 இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. இப்போ 900ல எத்தனை போடுறோம்? ஒரு 400 சான்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. சோ 900 minus 400 என்ன வரும்? 300 வரும். அப்ப 900ல 300 காணாம போயிருமா? கேன்சல் பண்ணிரோம். இங்க 2 ஃபேக்டர் எப்படி ரெண்டுது கேன்சல் பண்ணிங்க.
நம்ம வந்து அந்த 900 திரும்ப
அத 900 1 வரைக்கும் போடுவோம். அதே மாதிரி 300க்கு 1 வரைக்கும் 900 minus 400 300 300 1 வரைக்கும் போடுவோம். அப்ப இங்க 300 வரைக்கும் அங்க 300 வரைக்கும் கேன்சல் ஆயிருக்கும். ரைட்? அப்ப மிச்சம் இருக்கிறத மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். Statistics calculator
ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா நம்பர் போட்டே போடலாம்.
ஒரு நம்பர் போட்டு ஃபேக்டோரியல்லே அங்க சயின்டிஃபிக் கால்குலேட்டர் ஃபேக்டோரியல் ப்ளஸ்னா ஆன்சர்.
ஆனா இப்போ நமக்கு சின்ன நம்பர் தான்.
ஆமா இது மாதிரி தான். பெரிய நம்பர் வந்தா கூட கேன்சல் ஆகுற மாதிரி. நம்ம டேரக்டா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணலாம்.
இப்போ நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி மேல 400 கீழ 200 இருக்கு. 200 வரையும் போயிடும். சோ மீதி ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாவே நம்ம கேன்சல் பண்ணலாமா?
ஆமா.
400 கீழ 200 இருக்குனா ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாவே பண்ணலாம்.
பண்ணலாம். So see some more sums பாக்குறப்ப you get more clarity. Let us start today's class. Is there an introduction about probability? Today we have seen an interesting philosophical introduction. Yeah, good. So thank you. Let us continue tomorrow's class. Next class on permutation, combination, and probability, additional theorem, multiplication theorem, Bayes theorem, right? And binomial, Poisson distribution. Those things will be continued in next class. Have a good day. Thank you.